Okay, we got this Aussie 200 index. Broke this zone, big bearish candle. Now it's retested. It's respecting this zone. I do like it. I kind of want it to come back up to the zone again to get into an entry, but may not happen. You can see that got a nice bearish candle here. It did gap a little bit and now is clearing out the entire candle, so there's a chance that it does not come back up. But so we're going to draw this zone here and see if price breaks this area and what it does here. And then just trying to see, yeah, so I want price to break this area, and then I'm looking for another short position once it does. Something like this. And then, yeah, targeting this bottom of this zone pretty much, that it's the full monthly range, 450 points. Maybe today, you can see this candle's pretty heavy, so maybe it breaks the zone today. Let's see, it is Tuesday, correct? Yes, so I mean, that's not a super high volume day usually, but it's possible. And price is right above this 4-hour moving average, so this will function as support, and it'll have to break it. You can see there is lower highs already and now lower lows, so there is the bearish structure taking place to break this area, but this moving average might keep it up a little bit throughout today. But yeah, price is below on the 1 hour, so that's good. The bears are definitely have entered. Overall on this daily chart though, price is still bullish, which I do think this is going to cross over and head down, and then I think this is going to be bearish for the rest of the year, to be honest. And I'm going to look to short it over and over and over. But we're just going to have to wait for it to break this zone. Could even adjust this here a little bit so it looks like this. Tighten this up a little bit. Something like that. We've got to wait for it to break. I'm going to set an alert here actually. When price hits the bottom of this zone, I'm going to look for a short entry. Probably get a really good R ratio here. Right now we're looking at about an 8, which is nice. Anything between 5 and 10 is awesome, really good. It's higher than most traders take, to be honest, but that's what I shoot for. So yeah, it's Aussie 200. I think we just gotta wait a little bit longer. I think everything's looking real good though. Price is rejecting its areas, making new lows, so it's exactly what we want to see.